Mark, we got a winner today. We are in not just Mount Pleasant, but the good Mount Pleasant. Like the Mount Pleasant a lot of people want to be at.
Yeah, the 29464 zip code of Mount Pleasant. Because there's 2 zip codes here.
Yeah.
29466, 29464. 29464 is closer to the city. So we're over the bridge and closer to the
you just
city.
nailed all those numbers and you didn't stumble at all. Like you were on it.
Yeah.
We're in Snee Farm's Plantation. A lot of history here. If you're familiar at all with Charleston history, you'll know the name Charles Pinckney. He used to own this and then he sold it off. Did you know that George Washington had breakfast here under one of the big trees in 1791?
I did not know that.
That's what Mr. Google told me this morning.
Mr. Google.
Mr. Google told me this morning that George Washington had breakfast here. So if you want to be presidential, we've got a great house for you today. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 2,200 square feet.
Yep.
Sits right behind Snee Farm's Country Club. And we're going to tell you a little bit more about that country club at the end here. But for now, let's go inside and see it. So, Mark, really not available very often. This is a great opportunity for somebody, a ranch home here in Snee Farms.
At this price.
At this price. I think it's a great deal. This one's going to go quick, I think. And in the proximity to the golf course here. So we've got the golf course right behind us. You've got options for a pool membership, a tennis membership, a full-blown membership. If you're a member here, you've got access to like 200 other golf courses around the country. And there's also another option that allows you to join this golf course and then one other big golf course here in Charleston. And then right outside of this neighborhood, we got a couple really cool things.
Yeah, well, just at the house too, I love the yard. This big magnolia tree, you know, just everything on being on the cul-de-sac. And then, you know, being close to those other things that you talked about. Boone Plantation, right down the street.
It's right out, it's right across the street. Like you can literally run over there and pick your strawberries at the Strawberry Festival.
Yeah, that would be great.
And then there's the Charles Pinckney has a
National Historic Site.
That's so cool. We went there today.
Yeah, little video here.
And it's like right outside of the neighborhood. So lots of places to go ride your bike to. This is a great neighborhood to just go walk around and ride your bike. And
never mind, Shem Creek is only 5 to 10 minutes away.
So Shem Creek, all the great restaurants there, the beach, the Isle of Palms. There's a reason why a lot of people really, really like this area and even more this neighborhood.
Yeah. Well, if you want to know more about this house, this neighborhood, or anything about the Charleston area, down in the description, click that link, book a Zoom call with us. We would love to chat more with you, or call your realtor, and see you next time.
See y'all.